Is your Windows PC crashing with the blue screen error? Kernel security check failure? This critical stop code means Windows detected corruption in its core memory structures and stopped to prevent serious data damage. Let us fix this error immediately.
First, let us repair corrupted system files that may be triggering the crash. Run command prompt as an administrator. Type sfc scanow and press enter. After that, type the DISM command shown on screen to restore system image health. Restart your computer when done.
Second, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers frequently cause kernel memory conflicts. Download display driver uninstall, boot into safe mode, and click Clean and Restart. Then install the latest official driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel.
Third, kernel-level anti-cheats like RIOT VANGUARD can trigger this crash if they conflict with system processes. Go to Settings, find Installed Apps, and uninstall RIOT VANGUARD. Restart your PC and launch the game client to reinstall it cleanly.
Fourth, search for core isolation in Windows and turn on memory integrity to protect kernel memory. If crashes persist, enter your BIOS to disable RAM overclocks like XMP, or reset your settings to Intel default profiles for stability.
This crash is caused by buggy drivers, unstable memory, or corrupted system files. These troubleshooting methods are for educational purposes only. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if this resolved your blue screen.